immediately in the aftermath of the Haiti earthquake. It was clear that many organizations were working on the ground. Many didn't know what one or the other was doing. And by enabling interaction to map who was doing what where, FedEx provided an invaluable tool to the business community and the NGO community as we tried to get a much better coordinated response. Because of the success of our mapping in Haiti together, we decided that we should map all sectors of the U.S. nonprofit community around the world.
At FedEx, innovation and technology are part of our DNA. It's what we were founded on. Information means that the NGOs are better collaborating. It means that they're not duplicating efforts. It means that they're providing services and programs in the most effective and efficient way possible. When a disaster strikes, we'll already know the organizations that are in place and have infrastructure readily available to provide relief supplies where they're needed.
The NGO Aid Map, was supported by FedEx, is an important step forward for Direct Relief and a lot of other NGOs to really display what they're doing, where they're doing it, why they're doing it. One of the big challenges is standardized data, and maps really force folks to standardize so it can be looked at on the same platform.
Interaction as a coalition of many of the implementing partners and organizations that we work with on the ground is able to draw together all the different activities that those organizations are doing and provide a comprehensive view in country of what's happening.
You're able to filter based on sector, based on area, and really drill down to very specific information. And that really helps to visualize where we're working and then find other organizations that potentially are trying to target the same beneficiaries in order to collaborate with them to share programmatic information.
Mapping is good for transparency, it's good for governance. It puts an onus back on NGOs to really talk about and show where their work has been done, in what scale.
Organizations like the Red Cross have a responsibility to donors to really show you where your money is going and how it's being spent. Donors can go in and they can see where projects are, where the money is being spent, and actually read about your projects.
There's a lot of project data, including budget, project goal, target beneficiaries. So people can go on the NGO Aid Map website, read about our project, and become more familiar with our work as an organization.
What's really exciting is the prospect of making this available and encouraging the private sector to use it, private philanthropy to use it, so that we, along with the NGO community, can develop the types of partnerships that really take advantage of all our unique abilities and leverage that to the greatest extent possible so that we get the best results on the ground.
Not only does it allow us to better respond when a disaster strikes, but it also allows us to better fund and develop the recovery and the stabilization of a community following a disaster. This will allow for the duration from the initial disaster to the long-term recovery effort.
This mapping work has enabled better coordination by the NGO community and ability of our community to be more effective as a collective rather than a whole bunch of individual disconnected projects.
It seems simple, but it's profound. And really to see the overlap of different organizations' activities, country by country, sector by sector, it's an important step in the right direction.